The school library. My name is Dara. I am a grade 2 student. One Tuesday morning, my teacher, Ms. Lina, takes our class to the school library. I feel excited because I love reading books. The school library is big, clean, and quiet. There are many books on the shelves. I see storybooks, picture books, science books, history books, and dictionaries. The books are arranged neatly, so they are easy to find. The librarian welcomes us with a friendly smile. She says, "Welcome to the library. Please speak quietly and take good care of the books." We all listen carefully and follow the library rules. Ms. Lina asks each student to choose one book to read. I choose a storybook about a brave little rabbit. My friend Tom chooses a book about dinosaurs. We both sit at a table and begin reading quietly. The story is very interesting. The little rabbit is small but brave. It helps other animals in the forest. I learned that courage and kindness are very important. After reading, Ms. Lina asks us to tell the class about our books. I stand up and share my favorite part of the story. My classmates listen carefully and clap for me. I feel happy and confident. Next, we borrow our books to take home. The librarian writes our names on the library cards. She reminds us to return the books next week. Before we leave, I thank the librarian and Ms. Lina. I promise to read my book every evening. Reading helps me learn new words, improve my English, and discover many wonderful ideas. I love visiting the school library because it is full of knowledge, imagination, and adventure. I cannot wait to visit again.